Talk to me nice. Talk to me nice. Talk to me nice. No, I'm gon' ball, yeah. No way I can fall, yeah. They predicting that.
Everyone, we just got done with a workout. Ben Taylor in the car. Ben Ritter in the car.
What? Yeah.
There's Owen right there. Owen's over there.
Oh, no.
We're paying for Chick-fil-A right now. We ordered 6 ice waters and 6 #1 Chick-fil-A entrees.
Just being a pussycat could get so complicated.
How much money we got?
A lot.
How much money you got? A lot. How many problems you got? A lot. How many people done doubted? A lot.
There's Ryan, Adrian. You just threw it to Owen right there. We got a lot of food. You know, everybody eats. This is a family and a family channel.
Family company.
Mm-hmm.
He wants the
Yeah,
water.
tell him.
Yeah, right.
Disney Channel.
Why does Owen not want water? He doesn't want water. We order a water and he doesn't. What?
We got 6 waters.
Sheesh, we're like animals. Hey vlog. Okay, so I'm at Payside. I ate a big, huge bowl of spaghetti before I came here. I'm about to do some muscle ups. Oh, that was bad. First one.
And I'm here to tell you today, if you got somebody came in my office the other day crying. I said, look, don't cry to give up, cry to keep going. Don't cry to quit. You already in pain, you already hurt, get a reward from it. Don't go to sleep until you succeed. Listen to me. I'm here to tell you today that you can come here, you can jump up, you can do flips, you can be excited when we give away money. But listen to me, you'll never be successful until I don't have to give you a dime to do what you do. You won't be successful until you say, I don't need that money, because I got it in here. So if you want to make 6 figures, you can't just be talking about you want to make 6 figures. When you want to succeed.
Okay, so I'm supposed to be having a bonfire right now. But a bird flew into our house.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Maybe. Is it back there? Oh my God. Get out of my room. Oh my. What do we do?
Pick it up.
We have a bird in our house.
No way.
Swear to God.
No way.
It literally just flew in. I'll open the window. But I don't know what. Oh my God! Oh my God!
Get him out, get him out. Oh my goodness.
Oh my God. Maybe if we like put something over it.
I think he left already.
Got the bird out. We got Michael, Adrian. People are coming. Okay, we got AMRA in the house.
These tacos are really good.
She knows what's up. Cause Alan.
Can I get longer screen time?
Oh yeah.
Look at me.
Meridian's cute light skin. And Lil Latina, Anthony, Mr. NASA.
Wait, someone has to be young boy.
Chops up, mini men, blah, blah, blah. Baby girl, I need that fan, cause I'm hot now. Broke ass niggas.
There's more people. More people coming in. We got Conrad. We got Conrad. And George. We got George.
What are you doing?
There's George, man. He's a legend. And he's it. Ooh, Spider-Man.
Oh my God.
Spider-Man.
Oh my God. He on X Games mode.
Oh my God, it doesn't hurt.
Oh! Oh! He dodged you! She dodged you!
You're it.
What? Yeah, look, they're leaving. I'll tell Dad.
What is that? What is that? What is it? What is it? Is it just
Wait
rocks?
till I tell Dad.
Yeah, I'm not telling Dad. I'm telling Dad on you.
Oh, it's rocks. No, I'm gonna throw the rocks up, and then that's the transition.
You're retarded. Into what?
Oh.
And there's transition.
Day 4.
Oh my God, say my name.